Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're starting off with a mukbang. I'm ready to eat. I'm so hungry. Meet my girl over here. Introduce yourself.
Sharika, famous Sharika.
From where?
You know me, I'm from Jamaica.
Yes, girl. Yes, I'm so happy. So hungry. So let's just dig in. We've already prepared the meal. We're gonna show a video of us preparing the meal, everything, the sauce and the lobster and vegetables all together. And I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and comment down below if you enjoyed watching this. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Voila. So I've gone ahead and washed my lobster, my meat, so everything's all washed and clean. We have the lobster, the half tail, and all the seafood right in there, washed with lemon and water. And I've already gone ahead to mash up my garlic and also sliced up my onions and bell pepper with some scotch bonnet on the side as well, as you guys can see. And these are all the ingredients. We have some seafood broth, we have some Cajun seasoning, black pepper, garlic pepper, lemon pepper, seafood seasoning, adobe seasoning, parsley, as you guys can see. And I have some vegetables on the side as well. I've already gone ahead to melt the butter. I would strongly advise you guys to use unsalted butter, just to be mindful of the sodium you're cooking and to maintain your sodium intake, so because you're gonna use a lot of butter. So yeah, I went ahead and added more butter to it because that butter wasn't enough. And even if it's not enough, you need to add more, or you can use oil if you want. I'm like, you can use half butter, half oil, up to you. Gonna use some onions, let everything cook together. Gonna also put in my bell peppers and my scotch bonnet, put everything in there, the light vegetables that you cook at first. You put everything together and let it cook. And now I'm gonna add in some pickled ginger. This is the ginger you use in sushi. We added some in there to add some taste. Now I'm gonna start adding my seasoning, starting with my smoked paprika. And you guys can see all the seasoning that I use as we go along. So we use some lemon pepper, like as I mentioned earlier. Everything will be listed down in the description. You guys can just watch what I'm doing. I don't need to list everything and repeat myself again. You guys are already seeing it, and I'll put all the information down in the description box. And that's some dry pepper, by the way, not thyme. We also use thyme, just so you know. And yeah, mix everything all up as soon as you're done adding all your ingredients together. And now we're gonna cook the seafood, and we're gonna start in with some hot water. And I also added some broth in there. Even though there's more water than broth, doesn't really matter. And I also have some lemon in there, which I already soaked up the juice to the side. And I'm gonna add in some Cajun seasoning and some parsley, just to give the broth for the seafood some taste and some spice, not just boil it in plain water. You can also boil it in plain water and add some salt and call it a day. But I want my seafood to still have taste, even though I still have my sauce on the side. And after that, I'm gonna just add my vegetables, my sweet potatoes, which I love so much and I can't live without. And I'm gonna add some potatoes as well. Let that cook, and once that's done cooking, I will take it out. After I've taken it out and start putting in my seafood, I'm starting with the biggest guys, which is the lobster tail. There's about 2 of those in there. Put in my full lobster, which I didn't end up eating because I was already full at that point. And I actually let those guys cook for about 10 minutes. And once they were done cooking for 10 minutes and they were red, and I went ahead and added my small pieces, which was the shrimp and the abalone, I believe. Yep. And some tails and hands that were missing, and I left those in for extra 5 minutes, so the lobster can cook for like 50 minutes and the shrimp them can cook for like 5 minutes, and you're good to go, guys. And this is me just taking it out of the pot as they're all done and fully cooked. So this cooking should be about 15 to 20 minutes, I would say. Just once it hits the 50 minutes mark, you guys should just keep checking up on it. Otherwise, your seafood is gonna turn out soggy if you overcook it. And once that is done, I went ahead and also boiled my carrots, which is the only thing that was left. Alright, let's dig in. You washed your hands?
Oh, yes, we
Yeah,
did.
we're cooking. Alright, where do we start? Do we have the sauce in front of us and then the food at the back? I hope she doesn't get upset. There's some lemon here. We're gonna start with my cucumber because that's my favorite.
Okay, let's try this cucumber. See. Fucking good.
Here. Oh, I need my table back. It's so perfect, right? I'm trying this for the first time. This is I forgot the name. This is what it looks like. It's kind of like mussel or what is it called? Clams and stuff.
Wishes love.
I think abala or some shit like that. I forgot the name. But yeah, it looks like sea snail. Oh. Try this. God, please don't let anything happen to me. Scared. Very meaty.
Not
bad.
good.
I thought I didn't it was gonna taste like the regular mussels, but it has more meat, which I like. Oh, this is low-key spicy. And it's very meaty, like you have to chew on it. Sea snail, that's what they call it.
Sea snail.
You eat the normal snail? You eat normal snails? Oh god. You're missing out. Why didn't we cook everything? What do you mean?
So good.
There's two left.
So good.
That's really nice. I'm gonna do like probably another mukbang on it. But there's almost a lot of it in Canada. It's frozen. Let's try something else. You can eat whatever you want. You don't have to pick the same thing I pick.
Okay, let me try this shrimp.
Well,
Removing my skin.
I'm trying the carrot.
Oh my god, the spice is in my mouth.
It's so good. Perfect.
Say thanks to the chef.
Which is you. We actually did the sauce together. Perfect mix of spice and salt. And you can eat this with rice.
Holy shit.
Oh, I can't wait to dig on the egg. How was the shrimp?
It was good. Good.
Try it. Try some shrimp. What?
The egg is good also.
I told you. They always eat mukbang with egg. Oh, baby. See that heat. Shrimp is shit, man. I should have put some lemon on it. Let's try some eggs. I like to eat my egg. I divide it in half so I can put the sauce on top of it. Yes, guys, I'm using scissors to cut my egg. Who you know?
This is something to talk about.
Oh Lord Jesus, pray for me.
At first, I didn't try my shrimp with my lemon. So I'm gonna go ahead.
Oh my God, the egg is so nice.
Put a little lemon on it.
You need to try the lobster.
Spark.
Because it's big, right? Guys. This shit is bomb, yo.
I would eat this all night.
Right? I'll put some lemon in my egg. I don't know who does that, but see what take that. Oh, splashed on me. I've already like peeled, squeezed out lemons. Could use that instead.
Some cucumber.
Can't talk much no more. Sorry.
Guys, you're missing a lot.
They're
This.
gonna watch us while we eat. Now, about to kill this bad boy right here. Look at that. No, I'm missing out on nothing.
Okay.
Though.
Let's try this bad boy.
This is huge. Take out yours and let's take a picture together. Thumbnail. Come. Hurry up.
This one is a struggle.
You have to be careful. This is huge, guys. Like, look at this. Turn it to the side, so they see the sides like this. Alright, thumbnail. Put your thing down a little bit.
Cheese.
Cheese. God, this is so huge.
Okay. Alright.
I feel like they do what they do. They don't. Oh yeah, that's right. I so forget about the lemon all the time.
Put some lemony.
Oh yeah, baby.
Give you that juice.
You didn't put the sauce in? We want to try without the sauce. Let's try. You don't even need the sauce, bro.
It's juicy.
You don't even need the sauce. Put more lemon. You're good to go. Like, needs to be soaked in lemon, bro.
This meat.
Heaven.
I have to try the sauce with it.
Huh?
I have to try the sauce with it.
I wish you could zoom into this, yo.
Voila, voila, voila.
Oh, sorry.
I have to open this in two. Too hot.
Very meaty. Double meat. More meat. I want to drench this in lemon. Like, it's so good with the lemon.
Please, guys, don't mind my mouth. It's very messy right now.
That's the whole point. Yeah.
This pepper is giving me a long time now.
What?
What does that mean? I mean, it's so good.
Messed up the whole thing. My lip gloss is so gone right now. And I don't even care. Like, this will fill you up. I'm sorry. You guys want a bite? My manners. Have some. Have a bite. Go ahead. Go ahead. Tastes good, right? I have no idea. Spicy and sweet. Mm. Mm.
I'm actually feeling full.
Really?
Feeling full.
So gets in there.
This still is too big.
It's too big. Too big for me to handle. Mm-mm.
Gonna dig in with some potatoes.
My thing. I'm like so full. Did you finish the entire thing? You didn't, right? I don't think I can finish it either.
I think we would eat everything, but we're not even halfway.
I couldn't even finish one freaking jumbo.
Cause look, we have this monster
lobster
leaf.
tail.
Yeah. This monster is leaf to eat, eh?
Leave that monster for another day.
Oh my god.
Only one lobster tail and I'm full. I didn't even finish it.
Not even one, half.
1.5. Still have this old full lobster
Still have this
tail.
half leaf.
And
And we still have a lot more that we didn't even try.
this whole thing. I can't. After eating my sweet potatoes now. After eating this, I know I'm gonna be full. It's soup. God is good. It's supposed to say all the time. God is good.
God is good all the time.
All the time?
God is good.
Yes.
With this shrimp, he's forever good.
Amazing.
Guys, we're enjoying. You're missing out.
Y'all needs to stay tuned. That's what y'all need to do. I'm full, yo. Like,
I'm full. Trust me. If I eat anything else, I don't know, probably can't sleep.
I'm passing out. I don't know about you. You didn't have potatoes now, did you?
Peace.
I don't. Whole sweet potato. Done. One more carrot and cucumber and I'm done. And one shrimp and I'm calling it good.
Out of here. The cucumber is so good with this.
I tell you, it's so fresh. Like having something fresh or something spicy. So amazing.
Oh my god.
You're done?
I'm finished. I can't take a message more.
Call it a day. The end. We're not disturbed.
Oh. Peace
I'm
out.
so pushing it because I still want to eat one more shrimp. I'm so full.
I can't believe we can only eat half of lobster.
It's mad.
I was hoping to eat everything.
Really? I'm like, we could do one. We could do the whole thing. We couldn't do the whole thing. I wish I'm smart. They cheated on me. There we go.
Stay tuned, guys. Subscribe.
Thank you for watching. Peace.
See you next time.
Bye, guys.